Tagalog lesson is about showing gratitude in Filipino. Okay? Like,
Okay.
in other words, giving thank you or giving thanks.
Salamat! Okay, we're done.
You got this?
Wait, what?
Showing gratitude in Filipino.
I'm not that Spanish. I keep saying Spanish.
Kayo.
Kayo.
You.
You.
Mayroon.
You.
Mayroon.
To possess.
To possess.
You possess.
Tuloy.
Floy.
Happen.
To come in. To proceed. To go ahead.
You proceed.
Tuloy. To come in.
Talaga.
Talaga.
Possess to come in. Talaga.
Really.
You possess to come in, really.
Magandang umaga.
Maganda umaga. Really.
Good morning.
I knew that. I just forgot the meaning. I thought it said maganda.
Don't mention it. No problem. You're welcome. Walang anuman.
Walang ano man.
For.
Oh.
Para.
Pa.
Yours. Singular. Iyo.
Yo.
Sa iyo. Sayo.
Sayo. Yo. Sayo. Sayo.
Thanks.
Thanks? How's that thanks?
This is the
Salamat.
Salamat. That is thank you.
Gift.
What? Huh?
gift.
Huh?
Regalo.
Regalo.
Regalo. Regalo. And that's no, thank you, salamat. Regalo is gift. Huh? Oh!
Yeah.
They say the...
Here's the conversation.
Magandang umaga. Tuloy po kayo. Salamat. May regalo ako para sa'yo.
Wow.
Talaga? Maraming salamat. Walang anuman.
I don't know what they're saying.
Well, that's why. Okay. Listen kasi to the
I'm
introduction.
trying.
Okay, here again.
Practice with the review track.
It's hard. They're saying like
Showing
a million
gratitude
words.
in Filipino.